So good morning. Well, actually, is it morning? Yeah, it is. It is morning. Okay, I'm off on the bike. I'm going for a ride. Yippee doody. Yeah. So I'm taking the sat nav because I want to go to a couple of places today, and I'm not sure exactly where they are, roughly. So rather than get lost a lot, I thought I'd just get lost a little bit with the help of my sat nav. But I'm going to go, and there's a road I wanted to go down, which I did last year, which was fantastic, and I never got to really enjoy it properly because I was in a bit of a rush to get back, and I'd done plenty of filming. So I'm going to go down that road today, and we shall see where it leads. Simple as that. It's quite warm today. It's going to be a heat wave weather next week, so hence why I'm getting out today. So enjoy. I'm going to. Oh, and if you wouldn't mind, if you do like these videos and you put up my shenanigans and whatnot, please like and subscribe and help me out a little bit with some numbers. Yeah, that includes you, Dad. Alright, cheers. See you in a bit. I always forget to do a bit of stretching. I should, you should remember to do a bit of stretching. Always do a bit of stretching, people, before you get on your motorcycle. Otherwise it gives you a little bit of cramp here and there. Head standing up, a little bit of cramp in the hip. I need to practice of standing up a little bit. Oh, ouch. But yes, do your stretching. There's one there. Look, there we go. And there. That's it. Oh, that's better. Yeah, so this is Ash. Just come through Wingham, so did a little right hand turn. This takes you through Ash. We're in that now, and this will then take us down to Woodnesborough, and we shall wait and see what happens. But some nice villages to go through. So that was a little bit of Ash. A lot of bugs out today. I'm getting seriously buggered by, well, not buggered, that's completely wrong. I'm getting completely bugged out. Yeah, completely bugged out by all these bugs. Oh look, Marshborough. This is Marshborough. Very nice, liking it. Liking Marshall. Got thumbs up for me. Haven't seen a pub though. You know when it's doing well when you've got your own village pub. Beacon Lane, I think that's right. I hope that's right. You can't expect me to know. Oh, that's nice view. You can't expect me to know every road, can you? Eh? You know? I mean, whew, it's a lot of roads. Although I can't remember the one I'm meant to go down. Oh no, it's Sandwich Road, something like that. Wow, there's a lot of bugs about. A lot of thunderflies. I've been here before when I got lost before. Yeah, Woolwich Green. There we go. And I'm gonna do a left. I know where I am, I think. Yeah, burns over da 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 da. Cool, and they're lovely, got their own little private football pitch and everything. Must be something to do with, it must be a school here or something. Basketball on the grass, yeah, netball, whatever. Not the best earnings. Woolwich Village. Woolwich Village, Woolwich Place. Nice. Oh, really nice. I like it here. Does it have a pub? Because that's what makes or breaks it. It has got a pub. Nice little pub too. It's closed. That's the problem. You can't stay open all the time. There's just no business. Costs you money. Oh, I do like Woolwich. I wonder if it's got anything to do with wool, as in at one time was it a village made of wool, or was it a village that made a lot of wool? Yeah, don't bother putting answers on a postcard. I'm just really enjoying the ride today. It's just absolutely lovely. For those of you that want to know, the dog is improving slowly but surely. It's slowly healing. Still going to be a long time yet. I haven't showed the wound because it's just really gory and horrible. But he's on the up. He's definitely on the up. Yes. So we're coming to the next village is Sheperdswell. And this says nothing. Nonnington, Barcelona, Lyddon. I think, which I shouldn't do too much, it's straight on, I think. Now there's, I think it's in Sheperdswell, but oh, I can't remember, but there's an old railway that keeps some classic trains and things. And if I happen to go past it and find it, then I shall stop and have a look. I shall. Oh look, a for sale sign. Some lovely houses, isn't there? East Kent Railway. Now I've got to go and have a look. Heritage trains, Woodland Watersbridge Railways model. Let's have a look. Oh wow, cool. Parking Cafe, Woodland Walks, Woodland Railway. Yeah, it doesn't look very open to me. That one today, they're doing a lot of site work or something, so it doesn't look like there was anything much open, but it was nice to see a old steam engine there and a few carriages. So I'm gonna head my way back now, and you know, just go with that really and see what happens. So I'm going to switch the camera off for a little bit, and try and save on some battery, I think. Alright, I shall see you soon. Paddlesworth, lovely names.